नमस्कार सभी को। राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस की आप सभी को ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। हम सभी को पता है कि 29 अगस्त को हम राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस मनाते हैं, क्योंकि इस दिन मेजर ध्यानचंद, जो हॉकी के महान जादूगर हैं, उनका जन्मदिन होता है। 29 अगस्त 1905 को प्रयागराज में मेजर ध्यानचंद जी का जन्म हुआ। इसी दिन को हम लोग राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में मनाते हैं। तो हम सबको मेजर ध्यानचंद से एक प्रेरणा लेते हुए अपने जीवन में कोई ना कोई खेल जरूर अपनाना चाहिए। खेल हमें टीम में काम करने की क्षमता रखने की शक्ति देते हैं, हमें जुझारूपन बनाते हैं और हम लोग अपनी सोच से भी सकारात्मक होते हैं। एक टीम भावना हमारे अंदर पैदा होती है, जिस कारण से हम लोग शारीरिक, मानसिक और बौद्धिक रूप से स्वस्थ होते हैं। तो मैं सभी बच्चों से, मेरे सभी अध्यापकों से ये आग्रह करूंगा कि आप किसी न किसी खेल में जरूर शामिल हो, एक खेल को अपनाएं, तंदुरुस्त रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, क्योंकि अगर हम तंदुरुस्त हैं तो इससे बड़ा एक उपहार हम अपने परिवार को नहीं दे सकते। इसलिए हम सबको तंदुरुस्त रहना बहुत जरूरी है और हम तंदुरुस्त तभी रहेंगे जब हम किसी न किसी खेल में अपने आप को जरूर शामिल करेंगे। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Good morning, one and all. I am humbled to be a chief guest in one of the most prestigious school, Kendriya Vidyalaya 3, Amritsar. My words fails to pay gratitude and respect to the principal, Mr. Subhash Chand, and staff and enthusiastic students. Myself, Anirudh Gautam, am working in Singapore, one of the most renowned school, Global Indian International School, as a physical education teacher and basketball coach for the last 5 years. Today, I would like to pay homage about our Indian hockey wizard, Major Dhyan Chand. He has won 3 gold medals for India in a team game, that is hockey. Even though hockey is a team game, but still he made his benchmark. He was inspiring the sportsmen during his time, but still he is inspiring our present generation. Our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, rightly dedicated Khel Ratna Award to his name. Sports, it's very important and necessary for our lives. It is not only the recreation, it is for motivation. It is always improving your self-esteem and concentration and much more. Dear students, I hope you all have seen there are a lot of successful sportsmen. There one common thing which they all have: obsession towards sports, which they liked to, made to. Michael Jordan, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar Jr., Usain Bolt, Virat Kohli, many more. You all want to become like them. If you want to become like them, you have to show your dedication. You have to show your passion towards your game. Sports, it's not about winning or losing. It is about to participation in the game, in the spirit of the game. So, wish you all the best for your future endeavors. May God help you. Jai Hind.
Good morning, students. On this behalf of this occasion and my personal behalf, I would like to thank our principals and my colleagues. Today we are celebrating National Sports Day on the occasion of the birthday anniversary of Major General Dhyan Chand. He was a great player of hockey. That's why we called a magician of hockey. He was born in Prayagraj, and he loved to play hockey. He joined army, but he didn't left his game. He maintained his performance with his job, and he shows tremendous performance in Olympics. He won 3 gold medals for India. It was a great achievement at that time because there was so much less facilities for the games and sports. So my dear student, you can also do the same. Make him as a role model and make our country proud. And as you know, in recent Olympic 2021, we won 7 medals in whole Olympic. But there was a bronze medal won by Indian hockey team. It was a great achievement because we won bronze medal in hockey after 41 years. So, my dear student, you can also choose a game, make your dreams and follow it. At the end of my speech, I would like to say 2 lines. Ever tried, ever failed, no matter, try again, fail better. The word is yours. Treat everyone kindly and light up the nights. Thank you.
Respected principal sir, teachers, and my all dear friends, good morning to all. Today, I, Shahinu, student of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 3, is going to express my views on the topic feedback of fitness at home during COVID-19. As we all know that the COVID-19 is a rapidly spreading pandemic of recent times as compared to earlier pandemics. The imposed lockdown resulting in the closure of physical activities, business activities, public places, etc., which has resulted in the various psychological issues, serious fitness and health concerns. The authorities aimed at understanding the unique experience of fitness freaks during the period of lockdown due to COVID-19. The paper also intended to explore the ways in which alternate exercises and fitness activities at home helped them deal with the psychological issues and physical health consequences. While on lockdown, physical activity needs to be maintained as it extremely beneficial to body and mind. It is important for controlling diabetes and high blood pressure, maintaining bone strength, muscle tone. Exercise is important, especially as the regular outdoor activity is curtailed during to the COVID-19 pandemic. Exercises also boost immunity. While gym and group classes may out, you can still walk or run. Or if you are stuck at home, look online for exercises videos. There are many things you can do even without any equipment, such as yoga and exercises that you that use your own body weight. Healthy diet are also important for the fitness of body. So by adopting methods like exercise, yoga, healthy diet, people kept themselves fit and got the good feedback at the time of pandemic. At the end, do your exercises on regular basis and keep yourself fit. Thank you.
सभी को नमस्कार। खेल दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज मैं सुनीता पीजीटी हिंदी केंद्रीय विद्यालय क्रमांक 3 अमृतसर से सभी का धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करने के लिए उपस्थित हूँ। सबसे पहले मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी आज के अतिथि महोदय श्री अनिरुद्ध गौतम, बास्केटबॉल कोच, ग्लोबल इंटरनेशनल स्कूल सिंगापुर का, जिन्होंने अपना मूल्यवान समय निकाला और खेल दिवस के आयोजन में अपनी महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई। इसके पश्चात मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी हमारे विद्यालय के प्राचार्य श्री सुभाष चंद्र जी का, जिन्होंने खेल दिवस के आयोजन में आवश्यक सहयोग दिया और हमारा मार्गदर्शन किया। तत्पश्चात मैं धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करना चाहूँगी हमारे विद्यालय के सभी शिक्षक व छात्र छात्राओं का, जिन्होंने प्रत्यक्ष और अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से खेल दिवस में भाग लिया और अपना सहयोग दिया। धन्यवाद।